It is smoky as hell. We're like day 7 on the Caldor fire. And it's literally just like raining ash. All of this is a bunch of ash caught in a cobweb from the fire. But anyway, I am less than a week away from going to Born Free. I plan on bringing my Shadow down there. The Sportster is a long story, but before I can bring it, I'm also bringing my lady down, and she was asking me if I could get some passenger pegs figured out. Fuck, I forgot the pegs. Hold on. Okay. So, my lady was asking me if I could get some passenger pegs hooked up on the Shadow, because I haven't had passenger pegs on it the entire time I've had it, at least since I've built it the way it is, chopped it up and shit. But I've always had an idea of how I was going to do it, and now it's just go time. Got to do it. So I got some hardware, got some passenger pegs from a swap meet, got sort of a bracket. This was an old exhaust bracket. If you remember an old video, you might recognize this little guy who's been chopped up. And yeah, the plan is to slice this up in half and then use these tabs hanging off the frame rail. And hopefully that's enough with that sticking in like that. Ta-da! Ooh, that's hot. That wasn't straight at all. Holy shit. Damn, that was bad. Alright. I'm going to clean them up here real quick. Get the paint off of them. And then we'll see how they look on the bike. Decided to weld them here, basically right after the bend in the frame rail here. Oh boy, I think we have a loose goose. Yep. But anyway, right about here, get them nice and straight. So I'm just gonna clean up some of the paint. The wheel out of there. It should be a lot easier to get on the inside of it. Man, I don't know if it's catching on camera, but all this smoke in the air makes it really like super orange. So it's got this weird kind of cool orange glow. Very apocalyptic. Where'd those tabs go?